Okay, what's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to my channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today, just wanted to get on because I was using up my stash and I actually did another twist out. And this time, I did not use a mousse. I used the Uniqurl Aloe and Cocoa Mint 4-in-1 styler. I've had this in my stash for a long time. It's minty. It's a white consistency. It is about down to here now. It was about halfway full. Now I'm gonna use it down to there. Just trying to use it up. It is a creamy consistency. It's been a while since I used this, so I really couldn't remember what the consistency is supposed to be. It didn't have any discoloration or anything, so I figured it was still good. So I wanted to go ahead and use it up and give it a try. I know that when I used this in the past, I actually have a video on me using this as a one and done. I'll link it here. I actually liked the results. It was the early on when I first started kind of doing twist outs. So when I look back on it, my hair isn't what it is now when I do twist outs, but back then it was a good twist out for me, considering I would always do wash and goes, and so I didn't necessarily like my twist outs, but that particular twist out I did like. So I wanted to revisit this because I said that I liked this, that it did work as a one and done, that it is a detangler, it has a lot of slip. I still agree. I was able to detangle my hair with this in the shower. It did have a lot of slip to it. It is also supposed to be a moisturizer, a leave-in, and a curl cream. I used it as a one and done again, so I used this as my leave-in as well as my curl cream to get this twist out. So I just want to kind of come on and talk about it and let you know if my thoughts or whatever have changed. So again, it works well as a detangler. This as a leave-in, I'm gonna say right now is okay. I'll let you know more in a few days. As a curl cream, I think that it works well as a curl cream, and I say that because when I was putting it on my hair in the shower, it was defining my curls then. It had some tackiness or something to it that started clumping the curls together and kind of getting them in formation for a twist out or a wash and go. I bet this would be really good as a leave-in under a wash and go. I mean, under a gel. And I have not tried this as a leave-in under a gel. I want to do that. I think that I would probably like it better under a gel if I can get this to pair well with the gel. So I have to see what gel this would pair well with and try that, because it definitely does clump and start defining your curls. So as a curl cream, I would say that it is good, and it did give me the twist out. I do have I mean, it's soft. It's a soft twist out, but you can see that I have some definition and a little bit of hold, not a lot at all, but I do have some. And then it's supposed to be a moisturizer as well. So that's the fourth thing: leave-in, detangler, curl cream, and moisturizer. So we'll see how it works as a leave-in. I have not used it as a moisturizer, which I would say on like dry hair. I haven't used it like that. And I haven't used it under a gel again as like a moisturizer, like a leave-in, and then this as a moisturizer and then a gel. So I can't speak for it in that regard, but as a leave-in and adding a little bit of moisture to my hair, I would say that I think that it did a pretty good job, guys. This is not flakes. This is a gray hair. So if the camera is picking up that little piece of white, that is a gray hair right there. But I didn't, like I said, it's a one and done, so of course I don't have any flaking or anything like that. Is this my favorite twist out? No, there is a lot of frizz, but you guys know I don't mind frizz, and if I retwist it to get a little bit more length and fullness like you saw in some previous videos, then this will be fine, and the frizz will kind of get hidden within the length of the hair. the test is going to be the moisture. If the moisture lasts, you know, for me, and I don't have to re-moisturize, you know, by the time I come back on day 3. So that's going to be the test for me. But anyway, I just wanted to come on and let you see it, because I actually did this twist out off camera. I was just trying to use this up. It was after I had went swimming. So I was, if you guys saw that vlog, you will see that I went swimming, trying to work out a little bit, and I just needed to shampoo my hair because I had been in the chlorine, and I got home and I was just dead tired. My legs ached, my arms ached and everything. So I just wanted to do my hair really quickly and didn't really feel like filming. So I just picked this up as a one and done and did it. And so I just decided once I took it out, let me just get on here and talk to them about it, because some people may be wondering about this 4-in-1 styler. Some people may be wondering if my thoughts on it are the same or have they changed. Like I said, it's been so long since I used it. So I did use this. Did I use this with the Lady Smash video? I can't remember, but when I used it in the past, I really liked it. So I want to see if I really like it again. So right now, even though it has more frizz than what I would necessarily be looking for on day 1, it doesn't look bad, and I can work with it, because I know that as I retwist it, it'll be fine. It'll look bigger and it'll be flowy and soft, and I'll be okay as long as it doesn't rain. It doesn't have a lot of shine or anything like that, but I mean, it looks healthy. It's you know, it just looks like hair, so it doesn't look like I put a whole lot of effort in it or whatever. And I am one of those people who like a more effortless look to my wash and goes as well as my twist outs. I don't need to have them so defined anymore, so much definition anymore. That's just my preference. For those of you who do, this may not be strong enough for you, I don't know, but I am not looking for that. I'm looking for big, fluffy, effortless, hairs out of place type of look. So it just looks like, hey, that's her hair. She isn't trying real hard. It's not real shiny, you know, it's not greasy looking or anything like that. It looks frizzy in some areas and some areas it don't. So it just gives it texture. That's what I like. So I can live with this. But like I said, I'll come back on day 3, let you know how I feel about it on day 3. See how the moisture and everything held up. And then I will let you know if this is one that I would recommend to you and I would continue to buy again. So yeah, just wanted to come on and give you, because it's almost empty too, so I want to give you my thoughts on it for a twist out. And then I also want to try it, like I said, under a gel. If any of you have tried the Uniqurl 4-in-1 styler underneath a gel and got a really good wash and go, let me know what gel it is that you used. Do I have a gel to this? I might have a gel. I do. Okay. So I do have, this is in my to be used up, I have the Uniqurl Dragon Fruit Curl Fantasy Clear Styling Gel. So I'm gonna do a quick mix test, try to anyway, and see. So there's the 4-in-1, here's the gel. We're gonna see how it works. Ain't looking too hot. It smoothed out a little bit. What I will say, guys, is, see that? If you rub it together when you get that, see, now it's clearing up. Okay, so what I did, sometimes when you do a mix test, this is what I have found. This is for me, okay? This is what I have found. When you do a mix test with your leave-in or your cream and your gel, sometimes it will seem to bead up or look a little bit like cottage cheese if you don't add enough gel to your hand with the leave-in. So say you have more of the leave-in or the cream than the gel. Sometimes it will seem to kind of look like it want to start curdling up like I showed you. But then what I did is I went in with a little bit more gel and added that to it, and then it smoothed out and became more clear. When I put both of my hands up like that, you saw that it was more clear and it had smoothed out. So sometimes if you're not careful, the mix test will tell you that something doesn't go together when it does, okay? But then there's also times when you do the mix test, it'll look like it works, and then you still get flaking. And that could be a number of reasons. It could be that it didn't work together. It could be that you had something on your hair that made it not work and flake. You could have had some buildup. Your hair was not cleansed or clarified or whatever. So that could have been the case too. So what I'm gonna do is, I think I'm gonna try these two together. That way I'll see if I can use this up and at least get this used up a little bit for a wash and go. I hope this is enough for a wash and go. If it's not, I might try to do half and half. So see how I'm gonna do a test real quick with this wet line and see how it works. Okay. It's a little thicker because this gel is thicker than this one, so it's a little thicker. I'm gonna add a little bit more gel, and sure enough, it's just smoothing out quite nicely. You see what I'm saying? It's smoothing out quite nicely. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to, this seems really light, I don't know if it'll hold my hair, but I'm gonna try to do something with these two, and if I don't have enough of this, then I'll do maybe it with the wet line. We'll see, but be on the lookout for this. Again, let me know if you've used the Uniqurl 4-in-1 with another gel. If you did, let me know what gel it was and which one I can try and it worked well with. And guys, yeah, my light's blinking, so I'm gonna go. I'll be back on day 3, so stay tuned. Okay guys, I am back to show you 4th day hair. I almost forgot, been out and about in the weather and everything. But anyway, this is 4th day hair using the Uniqurl 4-in-1 styler. I have not re-moisturized my hair at all. Remember, I was saying that I used this as the leave-in and as the styler. Wasn't sure how the moisture was gonna last. My hair is soft. My hair is moisturized. My hair feels soft. Yes, there is some frizz or whatever, but I don't mind it. I like it. I actually could go some more days with this hair and be happy with it. So I still like it. I still think that it's great. So it's a one and done to me. I know a lot of people say that it's not for them. For me, it is. It is a soft hold. But you can definitely see the definition. You saw it when I took it down. So if you're someone who wants a really hard hold or want to fill a cast or whatever, you probably won't with this. But I like fluffy twist outs. I like twist outs that move and blow in the wind. If I have to retwist it at night, I just grab my hair like I've showed you before and I just twist it. I don't add any other product or anything, and it just gets bigger and more full like this, and that's how I like it. So I said I only had a little bit of this left, and I did want to try this with the Uniqurl clear gel that I need to use up to as a wash and go. So I think I am going to try that and see how it works under this gel. But for a one and done twist out, it works for me, and it does clump your curls, and that's why I want to use it under a gel to see what kind of curl definition I get under a gel. Moisturizer, I'm sure it'll work well because my hair is moisturized. It says it's a detangler. It does have slip, so it meets all the criteria in my book. If you haven't tried it and you like soft twist outs, big fluffy twist outs, I'd say give it a try. This is not sponsored. I don't have a discount code or anything. This is one of the few products that I like from Uniqurl. So yeah, if you don't like soft twist outs, then I'd say just, you know, keep it moving. You may want to use it under a gel or something like that. But anyway, here's my results. You see them. These are it. These gray hairs are showing, boy. That's gray hair, and I'm not gonna pull it out. I'm gonna leave it right on there. You know, I'm gonna leave it right there. wisdom. That's wisdom. I done lived. Okay, so anyway, so this is my hair. I just wanted to come on and show it to you before I get undressed and buckle down for the day. So yeah, guys, that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.